Hey guys, okay, so I just have a couple more slides to cover. This might be the last one actually. So, I just want to talk about classroom structure that can be helpful to teachers to meet the needs of these students. And so, one of the best ideas, or one of the good ideas that the book mentioned, is to use a clock structure for your classroom. So you can say to a student that their desk is at, say, 12 o'clock from the doorway, and then the teacher's desk is at like 11 o'clock, just so they can like get a feel for the room. That can really help out visually impaired students. And then another thing that's really important for visually impaired students is to verbalize all diagrams that you show, like on a screen or that are on a worksheet. Just verbalize those so that the student can understand what they're looking at. And then for hearing impaired students, one thing that's super important is to label your classroom. Label all the doors, label all pens, pencils, markers, like just everything in the classroom so that they can see like what everything is. And then another thing is to verify all emergency items, like the fire extinguisher, say, have a label on them too, which is just super important so that kids know what those are. And then to be mindful where students are in proximity to the windows. So for students that are visually impaired, like if you have to be mindful where they are so that there's not a glare on the screen. Just yeah, so there's not a glare. And yeah, so that's actually all I had for you. So this was a pretty short little finish, but yeah, so it's just super important to help these students succeed because yeah, they are really smart and we just need to accommodate for them. So thanks for listening, guys.